In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Descript. Changing the font is a simple yet effective way to give your content a fresh look and feel, making it more visually engaging. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Descript website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Descript platform. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your account homepage. Here, you'll need to locate your existing projects. Browse through your dashboard to find the project you want to work on. Click on the project to get started. This will open up your project file in the Descript editor, where the magic happens. Inside the editor, find the text box that you wish to modify. Click on the text box to activate it. When you do this, a toolbar will appear above or around your text. This toolbar is your gateway to customizing text elements, including changing the font style. With the toolbar visible, look for the option labeled Font Styles. This is your key to unlocking various font options. Clicking on Font Styles will present a drop-down menu or a panel with a selection of different fonts. Descript offers various font styles to choose from, ensuring you'll find one that matches your project's tone and style. Once you have the font styles open, go ahead and scroll through the list. Take your time to explore and imagine how each font might fit your project. When you find a font that resonates with the vibe you're aiming for, simply click on it to apply the change. This switch will be immediately reflected in your text box, giving you a real-time preview of how it looks. That's it, you've successfully changed the font in Descript. Remember that the right font can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find the perfect match for your project. Also keep in mind that consistency in font style across your project can help maintain a cohesive and professional look. As you become more familiar with Descript, you'll find that changing fonts and other text properties can become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy editing.